Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I want to show you different ways at how you can become your own boss and start working from home today. And there are steps you should know, and the first step is you can't be lazy. You definitely can't be wasting time. It is just one of those things that can't happen. And if you want to change your life and you want to stop working to other and you want to work for yourself, and if you want to be your own boss, then I will show you today everything. So how you can actually become your own boss and work for yourself. So before we get into it, please click on the subscribe and bell notification so don't miss any of my future videos, and give me a quick like and leave me a comment. Let's get into it. So the first opportunity I'll bring to you today is, so what I will do now is I will go to the next opportunity, Task Robot. They will get you to pay room, or they will ask you to remove anything for them, whatever it is. If you are looking to start slowly and build your own business, this is the perfect way to do it. But remember, paying back. Once you go there and Task Robot sends you to do a job for someone, there is nothing stopping you from having your own business course where you can go out and start growing your own business or your own company, and you can start from sites like Task Robot where you go out and do things even while you are still working full-time somewhere else. And then what enables you to do is to start small, go out, paint, room, fix anything, do whatever it needs to be done. Start making a huge amount of income that's going to easily change your life, and people are making a lot of money on sites like Task Robot to do something for them. So if you have got a few skills out there that you want to utilize and you want to make a bit of extra money, I suggest you go into Task Robot, and a few things that you will be doing on there is people will call you to go, and I'm sure they have started businesses on there that they are very good. So I hope you have got the skills to do something, because it is a great opportunity, and I'm sure they have started businesses on there that are very good. So I hope you have got the skills to do something, because it is a great opportunity, and definitely check it out. It is called Task Robot. And what I will do now, I will move to the next one, but before that I want to tell you something. I want you to ask yourselves a question: how do I become your own boss? And saying about, and what are my skills that I can utilize straight away, and life skills, things we do at home every day like cleaning and cooking. There are different jobs that you start out there where you can actually teach people how to cook. So there is just little side note ideas. So always think, what are my skills and how can I create business? And one of those things that I want to discuss today is child care. So there is a lot of people out there that require places for their little ones to be locked after they are working, and child care is a huge industry where you can make a lot of money looking after someone else kids. And if you have just had a child, then that is a perfect opportunity for you to be able to make a little bit of extra income, and you can choose. And if you don't babies and you want between the ages of 2 to 4, there is after school care, there is before school care, and there is weekend care, and believe it or not, there is even some people that neither in the evenings. So there is a lot of money to be made. And when you think, do I have the skills where you are looking after a child? Anyway, you have had kids yourself, there is a huge opportunity out there for you to make money doing that. So that's one way that you can do it. There are millions of people at the moment need that. There is so much opportunity out there for yourself to be able to go out and look after the elderly, where you can make so much money. All you need to do is look for these services online. They are everywhere, and you will be able to start earning money and being your own boss. So a couple of other little side things free that you can do as well, and that's child care and elderly care. So what I will do is I will bring my next opportunity up for you, but as always remember, click on the subscribe and bell notification so don't miss any of my future videos, and give me a quick like and leave me a comment. Let's get into it. So there is so many different skills that you potentially have that you can utilize into a business. So let's move to the next one. Right, another thing that you can actually do and be your own boss is, aside from the self-care, and another thing that you can actually do is you can look after someone else's pets. Quite simply, you can become an employed dog worker. You can look after people's pets overnight, and there is a lot of sites like Rover where people will pay you to walk their dogs because they don't have time to do it, and you charge your rate. So it is a fantastic way of being your own boss, and it is another opportunity where you can work from home. So a couple of another quite help where you can earn money on the side from doing other things that you are doing at home, like freelance writing or teaching someone how to do something. And just remember, think outside the box. And if you have got pets and love pets and you want to look after someone else's pets and you want to get paid for it and you want to stay healthy at the same time, there is another opportunity for you as well. So check out those sites and start earning money. Whatever you want to look after these animals, it is another fantastic idea on how you can be your own boss. So I really hope that you enjoyed. Start building your business. Let's go to the next one. Right, another great idea. E-commerce is huge at the moment, and people are making a lot of money through e-commerce. Now, different sites obviously that people are using is Amazon and eBay and Shopify, and we all know that people are sourcing different products from Alibaba and selling it on these sites and making a lot of money. These are simple one business opportunity that people have started, and they have become their own bosses working from home, and you have that exact same opportunity. But I will show you another way that you can actually do this without having to do all that, and it doesn't have to be so complex. You can start small. There's a lot of ideas and there's a lot of ways that you can do this. So one of the way you can actually do other than searching stuff from Alibaba, you can do as well, but have a look around. There is many different things you could potentially sell. Go through your home. There is so many different things that are just sitting there that you can sell and make money. I hope this video helped you, and make sure to hit a like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any videos about to make extra money online.